Hello everyone, my name is Sophia, and today I want to talk to you about my experience testing the FullyVital Hair Serum. I'm a 39-year-old woman, and I've been noticing that my hair was getting thinner and weaker. That's why I decided to try FullyVital, a product that promises to fight hair loss and increase hair thickness. This hair supplement has been very successful on the market recently, and many people still have questions about how to use it, if the product really works, and what the real benefits are. So I'm going to summarize everything here in this video and talk about very important things that you need to know. So stay until the end of the video to know everything, okay? But what is FullyVital Hair Serum anyway? Does it really benefit your hair? Well, FullyVital is a product that helps combat hair thinning and hair loss that usually occurs more often from the age of 35. It is formulated with 100% natural ingredients, with vegan formulas, free of chemicals, and with powerful plant actives. What are these ingredients? I'm going to talk a little bit about each one. Tripeptides. This anti-aging peptide rejuvenates the scalp, promoting healthy hair. Caffeine. It promotes healthy circulation for thicker and longer hair. Rosemary oil. It increases circulation and is clinically proven to make hair grow back. Regrowth. This peptide is extracted from red clover and clinically proven to increase hair density by 46%. Capixyl, that prevents hair thinning and increases the strength and thickness of the hair. Hyaluronic Acid, that hydrates and rejuvenates hair follicles for optimal hair growth. As per studies conducted, this formulation stimulates growth, takes advantage of various peptides to promote new, stronger, and thicker hair strands, improves circulation, infuses oxygen and essential nutrients into the scalp to promote robust hair growth. Finally, it restores hormonal balance, providing thickness and vitality. And it has the guarantee. They offer a return and exchange policy. If you are not satisfied with your purchase, you can return the product and get a full refund or exchange within 120 days from the date of purchase. And more, there's free shipping. As I said at the beginning, I'll summarize my experience. Before I started using FullyVital, I noticed that my hair was falling out more than usual. I also noticed that my hair was getting thinner and weaker. Then, when I started using FullyVital, after a few days, I noticed that the hair loss decreased significantly. I also noticed that my hair was getting thicker. After a month of use, I was already seeing results. My hair was much thicker. I also noticed that the hair loss had subsided even more. After 3 months of use, I am very pleased with the results. My hair is much healthier and more beautiful. I've noticed that my hair is growing faster and stronger as well. I'm so glad I found FullyVital. The product is really effective and safe, and it offers a number of benefits for the hair. If you are looking for a product to fight hair loss and increase the thickness of the strands, I recommend FullyVital. If you are interested in purchasing the FullyVital Hair Serum, please click on the link in the description of this video to visit the product's official website. On the website, you can find more information about the product